Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to add promotion on LinkedIn profile. So first of all, what I'm going to do, I'm going to just go ahead and click on me at the top right. And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to just go ahead and click view profile right here, right? Scroll a little bit down, As you can see right here, I don't have the, experience, right? So if you added experience, let's say for example, I'm going to add something like, freelancer, right? Freelance. And then select the employment type, self-employed. And then I'm gonna just type right here, let's say YouTube, right? YouTube. And then I'm currently working on this role. And then just go ahead and add the start, and then location if there is any location, right? And then just click remove right here, right? And then if you want to add description, headline, and where did you find this job, let's say Indeed, and then click save, right? Okay, I'm gonna wait for a few moments right here. Now I added that position. Now what I'm gonna do, if I wanted to add promotion, maybe because you promoted yourself to be a content creator or managing a YouTube channel. So click on the plus button right here on your right, and then you're gonna see add position. And I'm gonna just go ahead and add position. Let's say for example, I had the position of YouTube or video streamer. Okay, even better. And then select employment type full time, and then select the company, right, which is YouTube, right? And then just go ahead. If you are now, it says you added a promotion, you're currently working on this role, right? Let's say May 2021, okay? And then in current position as if like freelance on at YouTube, which is the previous position, and then select the location, and then just select the location type, which is remote, and then scroll a little bit down, and where did you find this job, and just select referral. If you want to add skills like photography, live video streaming, and all that, just go ahead and add. If you want to add media like images, document, and videos, just go ahead and hit save. And basically, after you added that, as you can see, now I added my promotion from this position. So let's know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.